Portal. Azure Portal is a web-based, unified platform that enables users to build, manage, and monitor Azure cloud resources efficiently through an intuitive graphical interface. Importance for cloud management. Azure Portal centralized cloud resources management, offering an intuitive interface for deployment, monitoring, and configuration, enhancing efficiency and control in complex cloud environments. Key features and benefits. The Azure Portal offers a friendly interface, customizable dashboard, seamless resource management, real-time monitoring, and integrate tools, enhancing productivity and simplifying cloud infrastructure control. Navigating the Azure Portal. Browser-based interface. The Azure Portal offers a user-friendly browser-based interface enabling seamless access to cloud resources without software installation, supporting cross-platform management and real-time updates for efficient cloud operations. Visualizing dependencies and health. The Azure Portal enables visualizing dependencies and health through interactive diagrams and dashboards, helping users monitor resource relationships and system performance for efficient cloud management. Orchestrating cloud workflows. Azure Portal enables seamless orchestration of cloud workflows by integrating services, automating deployments, and providing a unified interface for managing resources efficiently. Setting up your Azure environment. Signing up and free trial credits. Signing up for Azure grants access to a free trial with $200 credits valid for 30 days, enabling users to explore services without immediate charges or commitments. Configuring billing preferences. Configure billing preferences by selecting payment methods, setting spending limits, and enabling cost alerts to manage expenses effectively within your Azure subscription. Understanding subscription models. Azure subscription models define how resources are built and managed, including pay-as-you-go, enterprise agreements, and CSP options, enabling tailored cost control and access management for cloud services. Managing costs and budgets. Number 1. Setting spending limits. Set spending limits in Azure by creating budgets and alerts within the cost management tool to monitor usage, prevent overspending, and maintain control over cloud expenses efficiently. Number 2. Using alerts and cost optimization tools. Set cost alerts to monitor spending thresholds and utilize Azure cost management tools to analyze usage patterns, optimize resources, and prevent budget overruns effectively. And number 3, role of Azure Advisor. Azure Advisor provides personalized recommendations to optimize your Azure resources, helping manage costs by identifying unused resources, improving performance, and suggesting cost-saving opportunities. Customizing your workplace and dashboards. Azure Dashboard Essentials. Pinning and organizing resources. Pinning resources to your Azure dashboard allows quick access to frequently used services. Organize pins by grouping related items in resizing tiles for a personal efficient workplace. Monitoring metrics with tiles. Use tiles to monitor key Azure metrics in real time. Customize layouts for quick insights and configure alerts to proactively manage resource performance and health directly from your dashboard. Creating a role-based dashboard. Design dashboard focus on specific roles by selecting relevant pages and resources. Enhancing clarity, efficiency, and tailored monitoring within Azure Portal for targeted cloud management. Workplace customization techniques. drag and drop layout adjustment. Drag and drop layout adjustments enable users to intuitively rearrange dashboard tiles, enhancing workspace personalization and improving accessibility by tailoring the visual structure to specific workflow needs. Applying color themes and tags. Applying color themes enhances visual clarity and user experience, while tags enable efficient organization and quick filtering of resources within your workspace, streamlining cloud management tasks. Lastly, navigation menu customization. Customize your Azure portal navigation menu by pinning frequently used services, rearranging items to quick access, and hiding unused options to streamline your workspace and improve efficiency.
Resources management best practices. Utilizing resources group effectively. Logical grouping of resources. Organize resources by function, environment, or project within resources groups to simplify management, improve access control, and enhance cost tracking for efficient cloud operation. Governance with policies and RBAC. Implement governance by applying Azure policies to enforce standards and use role-based access control RBAC to assign precise permission, ensuring secure and complement resources management within resource groups. Naming convention and regional consideration. Establish clear naming convention to ensure consistent resources identification. Incorporate regional tags to optimize resources allocation. Compliance and cost management across Azure environment. Deploying virtual machine. Selecting OS image and VM sizes. Choose OS image based on workload, compatibility and support. Select VM size, considering performance need, cost efficiently, and scalability to optimize resources utilization and maintain operational balance. Networking and security configuration. Ensure virtual networks are properly segmented as secured using NSGs and firewall. Implement role-based access control for resources access. Enable monitoring to detect and respond security threats and promptly. Ensure proper storage account configuration with redundancy option and secure identify setup using Azure. Add rules and manage identifiers to maintain secure, scalable, and efficient virtual machine deployments. Deploying and monitoring cloud resources. Resources deployment process. Deployment step and configuration. Define resources group, select resource type, configure settings, review parameters, initiate deployment, monitor progress through notification, validate successful deployment, and manage resources via Azure portal dashboard. Auto-scaling and automation integration. Auto-scaling and dynamically adjust resources based on demand, optimizing performance and cost. Optimization integrates in deployment scaling and monitoring, ensuring efficient and consistent cloud resources management. Monitoring and performance optimization. Using Azure Monitor and alerts. Azure Monitor provides comprehensive insight by collecting metrics and logs, while alerts enable proactive issue detection and automated responses, ensuring optimal performance and reliability in cloud resources. Log analytic and trend visualization. Log analytic enable deep insight into cloud resources performance by collecting and correlating data. Trend, trend visualization illustrates patterns over time, aiding proactive monitoring and optimization. Proactive issue remediation utilize Azure Monitor and alerts to detect potential issue early, enabling automated remediation and minimizing downtime through proactive notification and real-time performance site.
Now let's go for infrastructure as code with Azure Resource Manager. Declarative deployment model. ARM templates use a declarative deployment model. This means we simply specify the desired state of our resources, what we want the infrastructure to look like. We don't have to write step-by-step procedure. ARM handles the procedural steps for us. This makes the deployments automated, consistent, and repeatable. Now, we go for JSON and Bicep templates basics. ARM templates are written using JSON to declaratively define the infrastructure. Recently, Microsoft introduced Bicep, which is a simplified modular syntax that makes authoring and managing ARM templates much easier. It compiles directly into standard JSON ARM templates. Now, the parameterization and template reuse. A critical feature is parameterization. This allows us to use dynamic input values in our templates, which greatly enhances flexibility. By using these parameterized templates, we promote consistency and efficiency, allowing for the repeated deployment of standardized infrastructure configuration across different environments. Now, the governance and compliance with ARM. Infrastructure as code isn't just about deployment, it's also key governance and compliance. Role-based access control management, or RBAC. ARM enforces role-based access control, or RBAC. This enables us to make precise permission assignments, ensuring secure resource management by granting users only the permissions absolutely necessary based on their specific roles. Policy enforcement and compliance rules. The Azure Manager also enables automated policy enforcement. We can define rules that ensures all resources adhere to our organizational standards and regulatory requirements. This is vital for enhancing governance, consistency, and managing risk. Now, we go for automating environment consistency. Finally, ARM helps in the automating environment consistency. By standardizing deployments and enforcing governance policies, it effectively reduces configuration drift that is when environments gradually become different from each other. This gives us a reliable and repeatable infrastructure management across all Azure resources. Now, let's conclude with a brief recap on the key concepts we've covered and look up some resources continued learning. We've focused on two main areas: customization and management tools. We saw that the Azure portal offers extensive customization and management tools. This allows us to tailor dashboards, streamline workflows, and efficient monitor resources, all aimed to optimize cloud administration. Now we go for the deployment, automation, and best practices. We emphasize the importance of using infrastructure as code. The best practice is to leverage automation tools like the ARM templates and Azure DevOps to ensure consistent, repeatable deployment and to minimize manual errors and efficient cloud management. Now, resource for continued learning. Your learning journey shouldn't stop here. Here are some excellent resources for continued development. Azure documentation and quick starts. This is our primary resource. The comprehensive Azure documentation and quick starts offer step-by-step guides, practical examples, and updated resources essential for mastering Azure portal features and advancing your cloud management skills. Now, Microsoft Learn and community support. Microsoft Learn provides structured hands-on Azure portal training. Complementing these community supports provide real-time problem solving and networking, ensuring continuous skills development and practical insight. Encouragement for hands-on practices. The most effective way to learn by doing, I strongly encourage you to engage actively with the Azure portal through real-world projects. This will deepen your understanding, reinforce your skills, and build the confidence necessary for effective and practical learning outcomes. Now, thank you, and this concludes our session on the infrastructure as code with Azure Resource Manager. I hope you feel empowered to start implementing these best practices in your own environment. Thank you.